In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can hide your Snapchat followers on your public profile. Before we get in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, open up that Snapchat app on your iPhone or Android device and tap on your profile icon up in the top left. That's going to be that little Bitmoji icon. From here, go ahead and tap on public profile. And on this page, you're going to see your follower count listed. For example, mine shows that I have 1,830 followers. To actually hide this, go ahead and select that little pencil icon, just like so, up in the top right. And you're going to want to find the option that says show follower account. Simply go ahead and toggle this off just like so. From here, back out of this option, back out again, and then when you load back into this section, you're going to notice that your follower list has a little eye with like a cross through it, indicating that your follower count is no longer visible. But yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. You've now successfully hidden your followers here on Snapchat. If you do have any questions, remember you can ask them down in the comment section below. But before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.